Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to find out your Gmail password in case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. It may be due to sometimes old ID you forgot your Gmail password, recovery email and the recovery phones, or in a case also when someone who has stolen hijacked hacked your Gmail password and changed everything. So now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that you can rescue. But here is a little difference case, guys. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost unfortunately his device, and due to losing of his device especially he has recommended to me to the rescue of this account. So via general method he has attempted lot, and me also I decided to try. So in front of you actually see it's showing so that you did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really yours. Google is asking for this info to keep your account secure. Yes, if you would like to the rescue of it, and then answer these questions on second that alternative email as a recovery. Why that if you would like to rescue, the only two option is being the provided via Google. So here I would like to generate more options to the rescue of it, and out of one, especially we will pick and smartly we will handle it without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. This can be possible. So take any smartphone, guys. There should be no SIM card, connect to Wi-Fi, and upon here, just cut it from here, and we will come in the Play Store. In the Play Store, you will have to write especially AI with virtual network private, especially yes. To customize the precise location that browser. So just we'll go with especially right here Opera right here. So it will give you virtual private networks with especially of course AI. So just we will go for installation. So let's see. So when we tap on here to the installs, now it has started to install. It will take a scarcely time because the total size of approximately 65 MB. On the other hand, of course, we have two changes that is very crucial, guys. Of course, we will have to download. No, we will have to especially here is downloading. On the other hand, two changes. Take your smartphone, scan how many browser you are using. So the one is especially on this device Chrome, so let's make it disable the Chrome. So just we will come in the notifications in your smartphone. So check it out, this notification you will have the enable, make it disable, then we will come the permission, tap on it, we'll go the inside of that, and we'll go for make it the precise location off, and thereupon of course so navigation issues will be fixed automatically. Now here free of space that we will have to remove. So these things we have done so from here. So now we have another browser that is of course you can say Gsearch or Google browser. Hold it, and of course we will tap on a especially inform, and thereupon what we will do guys here similarly a step that we will have to attempt here. So just notification we will have to make it off, and then we'll come to permissions to tap on the location, navigate to customize the precise location, and upon of course tap on here no longer the function as intended, and upon what we will do just to check it out the free of space is disabled or not. This thing is very crucial, guys. So here we will come in here free of space, it's disabled, so sure it's enabled, so you will have to disable it, and upon we will come in especially open by default. This link you will have enabled, guys, and there will be so many verified links, so we will have to make it deselect of these ones, not deselecting. So yes, go for here. Otherwise if it is possible to deselecting, then click on here to the clear 4-5 times here, and upon of course we will make it especially disabled. So now see that this special browser has been installed. So where it has especially we'll come in the Play Store. Here it has been installed files. We will come in here to open it. So when we tap to the open it, and then what will happen, so guys, here we'll have to accept the term and conditions. So let's wait here 2 minutes more, especially within 10 minutes you can the rest of your Gmail. Don't worry, if you are having this kind of the problems, and these all are the commons. Set as a default, so don't select some. We will go for especially. We'll go for especially. Allow here for better. Yes. Now we are with virtual private networks with AI. So tap on especially. I'm in Google. Yeah, what we will do, guys, here just simply we would like to have the more options. By picking up from that, we will the rest of heads. So here we will have options to the sign in. Don't do anything, so just to do a step by step. So you will have to watch carefully, guys. Don't skip ahead. Each or every step is important for us. So now we will right here just tap this side, of course, of this viewer, and we will go for especially next. Now see here what will happens. It is asking password. Don't worry. Here is a device especially maybe a locked with, and losing of device especially. This is especially. So what we will do, guys, here is we have options to try another way. We will pick it. Hey, just we will go for try another way we don't have. So it's fine. So this is verified number, last one 2 digit is a 49, guys. We don't have. If you have, then you can the rest of it here. Here is more options in that text or call. By that, of course, you can the rescue. We don't have, so just we will pick, so especially don't have a phone. So now here is a answer as many question as you can. Second is the user device where you have the sign in before. I have already mentioned to you that you will have to connect a Wi-Fi. Otherwise, of course, you will have the problem to navigate the customize the precise location, and navigation will be navigation issues will not be a fixed till it's not going to. So you will have to connect a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi there is not coming the navigation problem, guys. On the other hand, of course, more tips to other aspects in this accounts. We create all options, guys, here. Just we will come with this, especially more tips to other aspects of your account with AI. So here, don't click on try again. Just leave it, and we will cut it from here and thereupon tap on a setting, guys, so that we can inside of this device. Now here just we will do especially Google service. This sorry, just let me backside mistake tap the here. Just we will come in here Google services and the preferences on it here, guys. Don't do a mistakes. I was in the hurry, that's why especially. Now we will go for fix to the help options. So when we fix to this options, now here is option that we will tap on a help options. Here we will have to write hacked. Nothing you will have to write here, just we will accept this hacked Gmail recovery. When we tap on here, so this page will be open, so that secure, hacked, or the compromised Gmail account or Google accounts. Just we will scroll up, and here is especially two options: review your account activities, and the second is that review which devices you use your accounts, of course. So here we can see here how many devices are locked with this array, and we don't have much more time here to just to see. Just we will come in here. If you would like to the rescue, firstly rescue, then of course you can go for here, no problem at all. So we'll tap on a hack to your Gmail accounts. It has been especially see here. So navigation problem will not be a come. So because see, but you are still the beliefs else is the something using our the review of these accounts, and there is also especially review your account activities. Yes, you still will if someone else is using your accounts, and then find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it, and thereupon of course we will come on here. Here you will have option these steps as to other can the rest go from this account. So tap on it. So you would be on especially here. Now see, create a replacement Google accounts, and thereupon of course also especially while getting locked out of your Gmail accounts, except two options. Third is the coming to this special account recovery page. On page arrow we will have to tap, so would be directly transfers to other recovery page. And now what we will do, just simply you don't have to do, just automatically this side would be recommended, and of course we will have to tap to other next, and let's see what's going to happen. Tap on a next, guys, and see now see here Yes, finally it has been recovered. Fines. Obviously, it has been recovered, guys. So don't worry if you are having these kind of the problems by a similar status, you can the risk of it. But here is a little more, especially the audio we would like to the proceed that don't click on a continue, otherwise would be trapped in its verify option. So you don't have a recovery phone number, that's was added, old one, it's a verified ID, so carefully do it, guys. Here just to create a special, I mean the password, confirm so the password and go for save it firstly. Don't skip, don't do anything. After saving, of course you will have to go in a Google account management, and there you will have a security in or sign in, of course. There, after the going, so we will firstly add an alternative email, and after adding the alternative email, then we'll remove the recovery phone number and add a new phone number. Yes, and this can be possible when we will be able to succeed at a recovery email then. So any add alternative email. Whole thing, I cannot see the proceed to you guys on the further, because this is a privacy concern of my viewer who has recommended at the morning times. He was so worried, guys. So this is all about to know more information, and if you would like to especially have more query, or of course if you think so that you are unable to execute especially these things, because we have the customized especially everything here systems, and that's why easily risk of it. So then you can drop your email the blind links below the comment box. Of course we will rescue it and I will deliver to you, but you don't have any objections to disclose your ID in a public domain, guys. So thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial, guys, and this is the technology welfare. I will be back with new step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe these channels. It really supports this channel, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.